How to make mouse pointer bigger or smaller in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So to change the mouse cursor size, you want to right click on the start button right here, go to settings, and then you want to click on ease of access and simply scroll down, and on the left side you want to click on mouse under interactions, and then click on change other mouse options. And then on the right hand side you want to click on additional mouse options, and you can also click on adjust mouse and cursor to open the window directly. And from here you can adjust this slider right here to change the pointer size. You can also change the color by clicking on these right here if you want a black cursor or white cursor. And as you set the preferred size, can simply close this window right here, and your cursor should be changed, or the size of the pointer should be changed to the one that you've chose. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.